A few months ago, I was stuck in a loop. My days started early, ended late, and still my to-do list never got shorter. Writing emails, managing tasks, chasing deadlines, it felt like I was constantly busy but never really productive. I knew something had to change. So I asked myself, what if I could get help without hiring anyone? That's when I turned to AI. Today, over 90% of my daily routine, from writing to organizing, planning, and even replying, is handled by 5 simple AI tools. And here's the truth. If you're not using them yet, you're wasting time, energy, and opportunities. I didn't become more disciplined or suddenly smarter. I just got smarter with the tools I used. And now I want to show you how you can do the same. Let me ask you something. How much of your day do you spend doing repetitive stuff? Writing the same emails, updating spreadsheets, scheduling meetings, copying and pasting. Could any of that be automated? Imagine if you had an extra 4 hours a day. Not someday, but starting this week. What would you do with it? Grow your business? Learn a new skill? Or finally just breathe a little easier? According to McKinsey, automation could eliminate up to 70% of repetitive tasks in most knowledge jobs, and with modern AI tools, especially the ones I'll show you today, that number can be pushed even higher. These tools don't just save time, they change the way you think about work. In this video, I'm breaking down the exact 5 AI tools I use daily and how you can plug them into your workflow to get more done in less time with less stress. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, content creator, or team leader, if you're still doing things the old way, you're leaving hours of your day on the table. Let's dive into the tools that changed everything for me and could do the same for you. 5 AI tools to automate 90% of your daily work tasks. Starting now. 1. ChatGPT, your thinking partner on demand. Let's kick things off with the tool I literally use every single day, ChatGPT. This isn't just a chatbot. It's like having a full team of writers, editors, planners, and even customer service agents at your fingertips 24/7. Whether I'm drafting a professional email, brainstorming video ideas, creating outlines, or writing full blog posts, ChatGPT saves me hours of thinking and typing. The best part? It never gets tired, it doesn't need coffee, and it never complains about revisions. Writing a persuasive email, generating social media captions, creating product descriptions, summarizing meeting notes. Use custom instructions to train ChatGPT to speak in your tone, formal, fun, or straight-up sassy. Once it learns your style, it becomes scary good. 2. Notion AI, your second brain. Next up is Notion AI, or as I like to call it, my second brain. This tool turns chaos into clarity. Not only does it keep all your notes, projects, and content in one place, but with AI built in, it can actually help you generate structured plans, rewrite long notes, extract to-do lists, and even come up with solutions based on a few messy bullet points. If you've ever stared at a blank doc with no idea where to start, Notion AI will finish your sentence and the next 5. Convert raw notes into action items. Generate a content calendar from scratch. Write SOPs based on bullet points. Summarize 10 pages of meeting notes into 5 lines. Use the / command, ask AI to inside any Notion page to brainstorm ideas, write intros, or generate checklists instantly. 3. Zapier, the invisible assistant. Tool number 3 is what I call my invisible assistant, Zapier. And let me tell you, once you set it up, you'll forget what life was like without it. Zapier connects the tools you already use, like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, Trello, even CRMs like HubSpot, and make them talk to each other. For example, when a new lead fills out my type form, Zapier adds them to my CRM, sends them a welcome email, and drops a Slack alert for my team, all hands-free. You build it once, and it runs forever. Use case expansions. Automate repetitive tasks like invoice reminders. Send birthday emails to clients. Backup from submissions to Google Drive. Connect social media posts with Google Calendar. Start with a simple trigger. When this happens, do this. And build workflows with zero coding. 4. Descript. video and audio editing reinvented. If you're a content creator, especially in video or podcasting, Descript will blow your mind. It transcribes everything you say and lets you edit your media just by editing the words. Imagine deleting a sentence in a doc and your video updates instantly. That's Descript. You can also remove filler words like generate captions, and even clone your voice to fix mistakes without re-recording. Yup, real AI magic. With one click, I can turn a long podcast into 5 viral shorts ready for YouTube, TikTok, and Reels. Fix voice mistakes using AI voice cloning. Automatically add captions for accessibility. Export clean podcast transcripts. Trim video for Instagram/YouTube automatically. Use the Remove Filler Words button. Teal clean up your speech instantly and save hours of editing. 5. GrammarlyGO. Smarter, faster writing. Rounding out the list is GrammarlyGO, your personal writing coach that lives inside your browser, your email, your docs, everywhere. It doesn't just check grammar. It rewrites, shortens, expands, and adjusts your tone instantly. Perfect for when you're too tired to sound smart or too smart to sound human. If you write LinkedIn posts, pitch emails, or need to fix awkward messages fast, GrammarlyGO is your secret weapon. Turn dense writing into a friendly copy. Rewrite long emails into quick bullets. Generate replies with context from your inbox. Create engaging social media posts in seconds. Highlight any sentence in Gmail. Click the GrammarlyGO icon and choose Make It More Confident. It does the work in 2 seconds. Let's bring it all together. Here are the 5 tools that help me cut 90% of the manual, boring, repetitive stuff from my workday. ChatGPT, your writing and idea machine. Notion AI, your project manager and note taker. Zapier, your silent, super reliable assistant. Descript, your effortless video and audio editor. GrammarlyGO, your smarter, faster copywriter. If you're feeling overwhelmed, overworked, or stuck, you don't need more hustle. You need smarter tools. Start small. Automate one thing this week, then another. Before long, you'll wonder how you ever worked without them. The future of work isn't just AI. It's you plus AI working together.